this is the rolling makeup bag, I wanted to show it from the moment it comes out of the box to actually loading it up, because that's when you really see if a bag makes sense or not. The first impression out of the box is it feels sturdy, the frame doesn't feel flimsy, and I love that the wheels roll really smoothly, and it already feels like something meant to be used a lot and not just sit pretty. Setting it up is basic. You open it up, inside you've got 4 removable makeup bags. I like that they're separate because it lets you organize by category instead of digging through one giant space. So after you decide where everything goes, one bag for face products, one for eyes, one for lips, and smaller items, and one for skincare. You don't have to do it that way, but it makes everything easier to find. The dividers are detachable, which is nice because not everyone's makeup collection is the same. You can adjust the space depending on whether you have taller bottles, palettes, or lots of smaller items. There's also a separate section just for brushes, which I really appreciate. They stay protected, organized, and not bent or crushed like they do in a regular bag. As I'm filling it up, I like how everything stays visible. You're not stacking things on top of each other and forgetting what you even pack. Everything has its place. Once it's loaded, it still zips easily and nothing feels like it's being forced. That's usually my test. If a bag only works when it's half empty, it's not practical in my opinion. The rolling feature is a game changer. If you're carrying a lot, instead of lifting everything, you just roll it and it moves smoothly without tipping over. This would be great for makeup artists, traveling, events, or even just keeping your makeup organized at home if you have a larger collection. We were sent this bag to test out. Overall, this bag feels really well thought out. From assembling it to filling it up and moving it around, it's functional, organized, and actually makes getting ready way easier.